In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to reset Facebook default settings. So if you're in your Facebook app, you customized Facebook settings here, and now you are wondering to reset your Facebook default settings, don't worry. Follow this guide to reset your Facebook default settings. So first of all, I want to tell you that Facebook doesn't provide any feature to reset Facebook default settings. Or if you have customized bunch of different settings and it's super tough to customize or change all of those settings to default. So all you can do is uninstall your Facebook app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store, and then relog into your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.